Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Maxima versus the Toyota Camry. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from performance and interior features to overall value and driving experience. Get ready for a detailed look at these popular vehicles, highlighting what makes each one unique and appealing to different drivers. When it comes to performance, the Maxima truly shines with its robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 300 horsepower for an exhilarating drive. The Camry, on the other hand, offers a range of engine options, including an efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder, a potent 3.5-liter V6, and a fuel-saving hybrid. While the Maxima leans into sportiness, the Camry prioritizes a comfortable and refined ride, perfect for everyday commutes and long journeys. Inside, the Maxima often presents a more upscale and driver-centric cabin, featuring premium materials and a sporty feel. The Camry counters with a highly practical and spacious interior, known for its intuitive layout and comfortable seating for 5 adults. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced infotainment systems, including large touchscreens and smartphone integration. You'll also find a strong suite of standard safety technologies, designed to keep you and your passengers secure on the road. Considering value and ownership, the Camry typically offers better fuel economy, particularly with its hybrid powertrain options, making it a cost-effective choice for many. Toyota's legendary reliability and strong resale value also contribute to lower long-term ownership costs. The Maxima, while offering a more premium and performance-oriented experience, often comes with a higher initial price. Ultimately, your decision will depend on whether you prioritize sporty performance or practical, long-term value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.